going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Please be sure to give this video a big old fat thumbs up if you enjoy these work at home related videos, okay? This is going to be a really quick video. If you guys are interested in data entry where you don't have to be on the phones, I highly recommend that you guys go over and apply for this position. With the upcoming 2020 elections, they are massively backlogged with a lot of voter registrations and different things. There are a lot of people who are registering to vote. We already know why it's a lot of people that are registering to vote who's never voted before. So they have a massive backlog, and they also have a massive backlog of people who have previously applied for this position, but they have a ton of voter registrations, okay? So if you are interested in helping them process these voter registrations, it'll be really beneficial to you. And you can also make a pretty decent amount of money with the volume of voter registrations that they currently have, okay? Now, in order to do this, you have to be a United States citizen. You have to have a PayPal account, okay? You must have a computer that is running Windows Pro Edition or higher, okay? You can have a Mac if you choose to. You will need a dual monitor. I'm going to put a link to a dual monitor that someone in the Facebook group posted. Awesome monitor. You guys should definitely probably check out if you don't have a second monitor, or you can simply go to your local Goodwill or your thrift store or something and probably find a really inexpensive monitor there, okay? You definitely need to have a second monitor because you are going to be processing voter registrations, people's handwritings, different stuff like that. So you're going to need to, in order to be more efficient, you're going to have two monitors, okay? Now, you also have to do a 3-second video of your driver's license or your state ID next to your face, okay? No exceptions, okay? And they give you specific instructions. They said, let the camera focus on the text on your ID because they need to be able to read it if they are ever audited, okay? And you're going to email that video to the email address that is listed on their website. I'm going to put all of that in the description box down below for you guys so you can go over and apply. They say to please be patient. You should hear back from them within 2 to 3 weeks on a good day, okay? On a good day. It may take a little bit longer, but this is a temporary position. This is not something that is going to last forever. It may last up until December, January, I'm not sure, okay? 6 months or more, possibly, okay? So definitely go over and apply if you are interested. And again, don't forget to go over to the blog and sign up to the email newsletter as well as join the Work at Home Lounge. Everything, again, is down in the description box down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.